about a delicious salad? Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Okay, put the salad down, Nick. I have got to share this recipe with you. We are making an apple salad with a feta dressing. Way crazy delicious. Let's start with the dressing. We're gonna make a feta cheese dressing, small container of a food processor. I have a 1/4 cup of feta cheese. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. What's wrong with a tablespoon of Dijon mustard? Sounds like a great idea. How about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup? Yes, this is a 5-ingredient dressing. Lid goes on the food processor. Now we're gonna slowly add a 1/2 cup of either vegetable or canola oil. When your dressing comes together, we're gonna set it to the side. We have 2 vegetables that add a lot of flavor to the salad, carrots and parsnip. A fine grate attachment on our food processor. We're gonna grate the carrots, grate the parsnip, and then transfer them to a large bowl. Now we're taking the star of this salad, Honey Crisp apples. The name says it all. They are sweet, they are crunchy, but I love them especially in the salad. I'm gonna core the apples, and then we're taking the sections. Don't peel the apples. We're taking the sections and we're gonna cut them into pretty large chunks. Once you've prepped your apples, give them a squeeze of some lemon juice, toss them a bit, and then throw them into the large bowl with the parsnip and carrot. I have some roughly chopped fresh mint, probably about a tablespoon. Sprinkle that on top, followed by 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Think about it. Carrot, parsnip, incredible apples. We've got some mint, some walnuts. Toss all of that together. Make sure it's well combined before you add this very delicious feta dressing. We're gonna toss everything. Make sure you get all that dressing into the bowl. Toss again, and you're ready to serve. When you serve, onto luncheon-sized plates, little bit of black pepper, and then you're good to go. And trust me, you will go crazy for this salad. I have it at lunch. You can take it to work. You can serve it with virtually everything. Apple salad with feta dressing, outstanding. Other outstanding things await. If you head to our website, weekendатthecottage.com, please subscribe to it. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well. And then finally, why not check us out on one or more of your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, that's the deal. You gotta try this salad. Now, I'm gonna enjoy mine. Take care, come on back and visit again soon. Bye.